What are arrays, you ask? Imagine a neat row of containers all lined up and ready to hold information. That's what an array is in Python, an organized structure to store collections of data. It stores elements of the same data type together in contiguous memory locations. This means that all your integers, floats, or strings are neatly packed, making data access and manipulation super fast. Think of it like this. Finding a book in a well-organized library is much faster than searching through a messy pile. Why are arrays so useful, you wonder? Imagine dealing with hundreds, thousands, or even millions of data points. Arrays come to the rescue, providing a structured way to manage and process this information efficiently. They are the backbone of countless applications, from storing student grades to representing images in computer graphics. Whether you're crunching numbers, processing signals, or building games, understanding arrays is like having a secret weapon in your programming arsenal. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of Python arrays. Now let's get our hands dirty and create some arrays. Python offers two fantastic ways to work with arrays: the built-in module and the renowned NumPy library. First up, the module. It's like the trusty toolbox for creating arrays with basic data types. Want to store a bunch of integers? No problem. Simply import the module and use the function, specifying the data type and the elements. For instance, creates an array of integers. But what if you're dealing with more complex numerical operations? Enter NumPy, the superhero of numerical computing in Python. NumPy arrays, or ndarrays, are your go-to choice for handling large data sets and performing lightning-fast mathematical operations. Creating a NumPy array is a breeze using the function. For example, generates a NumPy array. Whether it's calculating the mean, finding the maximum value, or performing matrix multiplication, NumPy has got you covered. Now that we've created our arrays, let's learn how to access and manipulate the data within them. Think of an array like a row of numbered boxes where each box holds a value. In Python, we use indices to access these values. The catch? Array indexing starts from 0, not 1. So, the first element has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and so on. Accessing an element is as simple as using square brackets and the index of the element you want. For example, to grab the third element, index 2, from we would use. But what if we want to access a range of elements? That's where slicing comes in. We use the colon to define the start and end indices of our slice. For instance, would give us a new array containing the elements at indices 1, 2, and 3. Section 4. Array operations manipulation made easy. Arrays are more than just containers for data, they're dynamic structures ripe for manipulation. Python offers a treasure trove of built-in functions and methods for modifying arrays to your heart's content. Want to add a new element to the end of your array? The method is your friend. For example, we'll tack the number 6 onto the end of our trusty. Need to insert an element at a specific position? The method comes to the rescue. Inserts the value 10 at index 2, shifting the existing elements to make room. Removing elements is just as straightforward. The method eliminates the first occurrence of a specific value. For instance, bids farewell to the number 3 from our array. Alternatively, the method removes and returns the element at a specified index. Removes the element at index 1 and stores it in the variable. Section 5. Arrays in action, real-world applications. Now let's step out of the theoretical realm and explore how arrays power real-world applications, making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a world without digital images. Behind the scenes, arrays are the unsung heroes that make image processing possible. Each pixel in an image is represented by a numerical value, and these values are stored in a multi-dimensional array. By manipulating these arrays, we can apply filters, adjust brightness and contrast, and even perform facial recognition. Data analysis and machine learning heavily rely on arrays to store and process vast amounts of data. From predicting stock prices to recommending your next favorite song, arrays are the backbone of these complex algorithms. They enable us to perform statistical analysis, train machine learning models, and extract meaningful insights from mountains of data. In game development, arrays represent game worlds, store player positions, and track object movements. From powering the technology we use every day to advancing scientific frontiers, arrays are the silent workhorses of the computing world.